How's it going? Elias here from Your House Fitness. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to do a one-arm dumbbell swing. Now, this movement here is a great movement if you're looking to develop a little bit of rotation of the shoulders, but also a good hinge of the hips. So how you want to perform this, you want to get a good weight that is challenging, but not too challenging with this movement, and make sure you always warm up before doing hand. So how we want to do it is we pick up the weight, bend with the knees, and we're going to be lifting up and pushing forward. Now, a great tip is to really push with your hips, sort of like we're doing a hip thrust, and we're pushing up, using that explosive power to push the weight upwards. And we're going to aim to do 8 to 10 repetitions of these. Another great tip with this movement is we don't want to be rotating and looking at our friends when doing this, because we don't want to cause any strain of the neck. We're going to keep the neck nice and neutral, push with the hips, and alternate the hands as well. You're going to feel it a little bit on the legs, a little bit of the shoulders. Great exercise for developing and a full body exercise.